How to update MIUI software on your Redmi Note 7. Let's get your phone up to date in just a few steps. First, grab your phone and head to your settings. Once inside, tap on About Phone. Now, find MIUI version. That's where all the software update magic happens. Just tap on the MIUI version and it will automatically check for updates. If you want to tweak settings, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can modify settings like enabling automatic downloads or manually downloading the latest update package. If the update is available, tap download to start the update. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi for smooth downloading. And that's it, your Redmi Note 7 is now up to date with the latest MIUI software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.